Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I have a shop update for you guys. I have a few different journal making kits, and so I wanted to share these with you guys and kind of go over what is included in each one. And I have them numbered, so I'm going to start with number 1 because they are all the quilts themselves. For the covers, they include a quilted cover, and so each quilt is just a little bit different because I just used what I had. So basically each kit will come with a quilt to make into a cover for the journal. It will come with a little pack of fabric. It's like a fabric sampler pack for slow stitching or for making ruffles for the journal. It'll come with this little journaling card. It has this fabric. It's like a little bow. It comes with this little tag with the layered fabrics. It has the button and also with a heart. Okay, and then each kit comes with 4 different yo-yos that I handmade and this little bottle cap charm. So if you guys want to see how I made this, I actually have a tutorial of this, how I made these on my channel. Okay, so each kit will get one of those, and then each kit will get one of these. They're little sparkly stars. And I also have one of these for each kit. Okay. And these, oops, I'll show you guys what's included in this. Okay, it's got a little paper clip with this little dangle that I made. I think that is so cute. It has the little cutout of the little girl. It has a card, some note paper in blue, and then it has this little journaling card. And then I have a little envelope with some little embellishments for the journal. It's got an American flag. I have these little stars that you can use in the journal. And then I have some beads also on a little safety pin. That one, and then I have some smaller ones. Okay, so each kit will have these pieces in it. And I'm going to show you guys now the covers. I'm going to start with this cover because I want to make sure that you know the size of it, because they're all going to be just a little bit different. Okay, so this comes with all these pieces. Okay, it has, let me show you guys the fabric pack. So the fabric extends on the back, and what I have is, let's see, I'm going to show you guys this one. This one will be basically fairly the same throughout all the different kits, right? And I have it pinned on here so that, okay, so this comes with this piece, has this vintage fabric, it has this stripe. I love working with these. These are really great pieces for your journal. I have this one. This one. These are great for making tabs. And they're also great for making ruffles. Oops. And I have this piece. Isn't that pretty? I love this piece. And they all match also this kit right here. And I think it's so nice to have everything coordinate so well with the kit. So you kind of have everything ready for you to work with. Okay, and then I have this piece, which is large enough to go inside the journal. Okay, and then I also have this. This is the size of a 8.5 by 11, And this would be the size of a journal technically. So you can actually use this, the piece of cardboard or craft paper. It's a little bit thicker than just regular cardstock. Okay, so you can make a cover just out of this and out of the fabric kit, right? Okay, so this is the fabric pack. And I'm staggering just so you guys can see all the pieces when you open it. It's really beneficial to me when I create to see all the different designs. Okay, and then I have this one. Oops. And then this could be used in your journal also, but what I'm doing is I'm tying this together to just kind of hold it together in the packaging. And then I have this piece too. Isn't that pretty? I love this red checked fabric. Okay, and then it comes with the quilted heart. The hearts will be different sizes for each kit because I was very limited on it. And then I have the little fabric. It's like a little tag and it's on a bowl pin. See that? Okay, and then I have this big button. Isn't that cute? I love how well these all go together, and I hope you guys enjoy working with them. Okay, I wanted to measure this one so you get an idea of the size. And now this is vintage, so there might be some discoloration. So that's why I want to make sure I show you guys on camera how it looks. Okay, let's see. I have a ruler right here. So this is going to be approximately, let's see. So it's almost 11 inches. Not quite, but almost, okay? And then if we go across, we have about almost 13 inches across, okay? Almost 13. And I hand cut these, and so they might not be perfectly cut, but I think it'll work. And if you decide to do a ruffle, that'll be really cute. You can always turn it up like this for a pocket and then sew it up. So I wanted to leave it like this so you guys can have the options of how you can use this. Or maybe you want to make some kind of stitch project, a slow stitching project. So I just left it as it is. Okay, so this is number 1 in the kit. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in one of these bags. Oh, I also forgot to mention that each kit comes with this bow. So each journal cover will be tied with this fabric bow, and I love how well this fabric goes with everything. And then it's gonna have this little glass jar with the little confetti inside. Oh, you know what? I forgot to mention these. So this is going inside too. Okay, so this is package number 1. Okay, now let's move on to number 2. Okay, there's her little heart. Some of her pieces fell over. Okay, so this package with the slow stitch kit, everything will be the same in here also. The only thing that's different is gonna be her. Okay, And the quilted cover is also the same type of cover, except it might be a little bit of a different size. And again, you can see some discoloration from the age. And this is about 12, let's see, 12.25 inches. So a little bit bigger than 12 inches wide. And then it's going to be approximately 10 inches long. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna move on now to journal number 3. And again, the stitch kit will all be the same with the same fabric, same cardstock on the bottom, and then these pieces on top. And then the heart, the quilted heart. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside for now. And this one is a little bit different. Oops. This journal cover will be a little bit different, and it's a different size also. Okay. So the size is, let's go like this, approximately 9.5 inches long, and let's see, approximately 14.5 inches wide. So this one would be great if you wanted to make a thicker spine. Okay, so, and this one also has the stars on it, and it has the star stitching also. See that? I love this. I think it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on. And again, it comes with all these pieces. We're going to move on to number 4. Again, the top is going to be the same. And then the cover is the blue cover with the stars. And then it comes with one of these, and one of these, and one of these. Okay, now let's open the cover. Okay, so this one has a little bit more discoloration on it. And actually, I went in and I used some different cleaners and tried to clean it up a little bit, but that's just how it is with some vintage fabrics. Now, if you wanted to, you can use some of this fabric here to cover it up. See that? This could be stitched. Or if you don't mind this, it looks to me like it's just coffee stain. I would just use it as it is. I don't mind that actually. And this is 9 inches long. And let's see. About 14.5 inches long, right? So look how, that's a really good size. You can make a really thick journal out of this one. I love these. I think they're great kits for making an Americana journal. Just basically celebrating who we are as Americans. I know that a lot of you know that I'm from Romania, so actually I consider myself American because I've lived here most of my life. Romania, I came from Romania when I was only 3, and so being able to be in a country with freedom means a lot to me. We've heard so many stories from my parents and my grandparents about communism and how bad it was. So to me, it's really special to be able to be in America, and working on this Americana kit felt really special because I tried to really, even with my Americana digitals, I was really keeping in mind what it means to be an American and kind of like our roots and history about freedom and what that means. I tuck this in here also. Oops. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. And then I'm going to tuck this in here also. Okay, so this is kit number 4, and I actually was going to stop at this number because the last piece was a bit small and I wasn't going to make any more kits. I thought, okay, I'm just going to have 4 kits, but I thought, you know what, let me make one more with what I have left. I was actually going to make it for myself, but then I decided to offer it also with the kits, just in case somebody wanted to pick one up and weren't and missed them. Now here are the pieces. The pieces will be a little bit different. They'll be bigger pieces. Of some of these, I just basically used what I had left over. Okay, so there's the kit, and the heart is fairly small. This would be cute on the cover, don't you think? Wouldn't that be adorable? That's how the cover looks. I think it's so cute. I just love it. And this is actually number 7, journal number 7, because I love number 7. And so I kind of thought of making this for me. I was thinking this one's mine. So definitely if it doesn't sell, I'm totally keeping it and making a journal out of it. But I've been so busy, I thought, you know what? Let me just offer it up also with the rest, just in case somebody wants to pick up one and misses it. Okay, so this is 10.5 inches wide and 9 inches long. So if you fold it in half, it would be 5 inches. Okay, so a regular piece of paper would have been, if you fold it in half, would have been 5.5 inches. Or, and this is 10 inches, and it would have been 11. Well, this is 10.5 inches, right? But it would have been 11 inches. So it's short about half an inch of a standard piece of paper just folded in half. Now, if you wanted to work with this, you could just always add a ruffle on the edge, and that'll make it long enough to fit a regular piece of paper. That's, you know, an option, but I love this size. I think it's really cute. Okay, so this is my last journal. This is actually my favorite one because it's so cute. Okay, so this is kit number 7. And I'll bring them all back so you can see them all together. Okay, so I'm gonna have all these kits in my Etsy shop available for you guys to purchase, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the kits. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye-bye.